The tech giant Samsung has launched its new Galaxy S23 series at the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event. The phone is a head-turner for sure, and it has already made its mark in the market. The 200-megapixel camera is its chief selling point. Its predecessor had sported a 108-megapixel camera in the past, and this upgrade is definitely a game changer. Samsung has upped its game, and this new trend of 200-megapixel camera sensor is only going to grow in the foreseeable future. In this upcoming series, there are 3 new variants: the Samsung Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra. The tech giant has kept the prices in line with its predecessors. Though high-end, we can't deny that Samsung has always created phones that are bang for the buck. Starting at Rs 1,14,999, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will boast a 6.8-inch 2x dynamic AMOLED display and crisp edges similar to its predecessor. The integrated S Pen is always a much welcomed addition. Samsung has always strived to outdo itself. But can it outdo the latest iPhone? Well, that's what we are eager to know. On the photography front, we don't have to worry about the perfect lighting anymore. It is equipped with a 12-megapixel high-resolution selfie camera that will give you phenomenal snaps at any time of the day. The nightography's enhanced AI promises striking images from dusk till dawn. The whole product, right to its packaging, has been designed with our planet in mind. The packaging is made out of recycled paper, and it is Carbon Trust certified. Powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 chipset, it is available in 4 exciting new colors that are as beautiful as the names given to them. The fresh new colors have taken inspiration from nature. Natural dyes have been infused in the polished metal frame of the phone. The breathtaking names of the 4 new colors are Phantom Black, Cotton Flower, Mystic Lilac, and Botanic Green. The whole aesthetic value of the phone is perfectly matched with its specifications, thus making it an incredibly tough contender for its competition to follow.